Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion about book number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept, and now we are looking at number and value concept. Now, when I say number and value, basically number here actually I means the quantity. Okay, let me just explain it. Number basically I mean here the quantity. And value basically actually I mean the value for each. So just for example, I bought a pencil. I have one pencil and it costs actually, example, $1 each. So if I buy $2, I buy two pencil, then I know that the total price I need to pay is actually 2. Why? Because 1 times 1, 1 times 2. 2 times 1 in this case. So the same thing here, that this is what I want you to know, or want you to understand how we solve the question, or how we arrange the question. Okay, so again, I know this question is about number and value, so let me just put here quantity, value for each, and it will be the price, the total price. After having this one, then we can arrange our information. Mrs. Kendra bought 4/5 as many pears as apples. So I know I have pears, I have apples, and I saw here I have mangoes. Let me just put here mangoes. It's about 4/5 as many pears as apples. So it's 4 to 5. And 2/5 as many mangoes as apples. So I know here is 2 and here is 5. So it's nicely fit in. And she paid a total of 150 for all the fruits. Means that I know that I don't know the value, but I know that after I times the value, I get the total price. And there's another total here. And the price for the total here is supposed to be $150. Okay? Now, the ratio of the amount of money she spent on the apples, means that here, to the amount of money she spent on the pears was 3 to 2. So it means that here is 3, here is 2. Let me just put here 3, here is 2. And the ratio of the amount of money she spent on pears to the amount she spent on mangoes is 1 to 5. Here is 1, here is 5. Of course, this is the basic concept of ratio of 3 quantities, so you know how to solve it. We need to times 2 here, we need to times 2 here to get 2, 3, and here is 10. Now, here also given that the total cost of each apple was 60 cents. So its cost for each apple is 60 cents. Find the number of fruits that Mrs. Kendra bought. So the question now is looking for the number of fruits, total number of fruits that Kendra bought. Means that it's here. Now, we know a concept here, which is 2 unit plus 3 unit plus 10 unit is equivalent to 15 unit. And I know that 15 unit is equivalent to $115. So I know 115 unit is equal to $150. So very obviously, I know that 1 unit is equal to $10, and I know 3 unit is equal to $30. Why I'm looking for 3 unit? Because I want to get to this. If I know 30 unit, $30 is actually the number of apples, the price I pay for apple, and I know each value is actually 60 cents. Very obviously, I know that I will use $30 to divide by 60 cents. So if you use $30 divided by 60 cents, we know that it's actually 50. The answer is 50. Basically, that's actually the quantity. Then I know this is 50. Now, after knowing that 5 unit is actually 50, then very easy we can find here 4 plus 5, which is 9, plus 2, which is 11 unit. It will be 11 and 110 total number of fruits. That's all for the answer, 110. Or if you want to write here, it will be 40 plus 50, because I know this is 40, I know this is 50, this is 20, plus 20, and there's 110 fruits. And that's all for this question. So actually, sometimes by having the table here, although it might not look like a table, but actually it's a table. It's a table like this, table like this. Yeah, it actually can help you to identify the information quickly. Okay, and that's all for this question, and hope you learned something. And thank you. See you. Bye bye.